Hi, my name is Olabisi, and this is my exercise 9 running source running code running demo. So I'm gonna try to log in with a wrong password. Login, it said invalid password, and if I try to log in with a probably like a wrong username, invalid email. So we're gonna log in with the correct email and password. So this is the user's home page, and I can go to the admin page. I'm going to try to upload an image. As you can see, the image is uploaded, and I can also, so whenever I upload the image, it shows under the image files, which is in views. See, the image shows here, and I'm going to try to delete the image. And as you can see, the image is no longer there anymore. So I'm going to go to profile. It's going to show profile, and I can log out. Let's go back. And the user homepage too has a profile too, and whenever you log out, it takes you back here. You can also create an account. So let's create an account. Just say, and the full name, we just probably change the full name. Let's just say AABB. So create, your account is created, login now. So whenever I create an account, I think it should reflect here. As you can see, the account is created on the database too. So I'm going to try to log in with the account I just created. Password. Okay, so say at uco.edu and login. So I just created another account and I try to log in. So I try to log in with the new account I created, and it's going to reflect here that I created an account. As you can see, it's 3. This is the account I created. The full name is OO, which reflects here, and you can see the profile and logout. Thank you.